Hello everyone, welcome back again with another video. Today we are going to talk about Bitrue platform. So this is a cryptocurrency trading platform. So we are going to talk about different things like the Bitrue have organized one event. So we'll be talking about that event also. So we will be doing like sign up, login, each and everything we are going to do. So here you can simply see, so claim this $1,000. So if you want to claim, so you need to follow the steps and the things over here. So I'm just going to provide you the tutorial, so simply follow the tutorial over here. So I provided the referral link and referral code which is in the description box. Please check it out. So I'm talking about the Bitrue, like the competition. So they have organized something else for the user of Bitrue. So it's a great opportunity to just like win and something like that. So here you can simply see, so B2 have organized like these things over here. So I'm just going to explaining something like that, like the rules, terms and condition. So before register now, so what this meme carnival is actually about. So deposit meme token win up to thousand, no, 100,000 dog. And if you if you win, then you can simply have some great reward over here. So it's the remaining time you can simply see like 6 days 17 like hour 51 minutes. So simply you can register now, and then you can simply have some great participants over here. So current participant is 23,863. So simply you can see there are like 23,000 users they are already registered over here. So you can simply see you can invest any amount of money over here. So before moving towards registration, you need to like understand the rules and regulations of the meme carnival events rule of Bitrue platform. So simply you can see, you can read the terms and condition, you can see the rules and regulations. So everything if some a trading platform is organizing the event, so they will definitely have some rule. So simply read the rules and regulation very carefully. And also the main thing is, I have also provided the link of this page, like how if you click on that page you will be directly redirect to this page, and you can simply register the meme carnival event. So we are going to do sign up, register for this. So if we want to register, so if you want to register, then we can simply have we need to like register this. I or if you have a Bitrue account, then you can simply log in. But if you don't have, okay, so I'm here for you. So I will just register these things. So simply if you see the platform, if you tap on register now, then you will be redirect to this section, and this is a login. So if you sign up and then connect with Google, if you tap on there, so simply you will be redirect to the home page. So if you create an account or connect with Google, so whatever you prefer, you can simply see. Or if you tap on Google, then you will be see these kinds of interface, and you will be successfully you have successfully created your Bitrue account. So cryptocurrency management platform. So first of all, I have teach you how to like participate over the Bitrue platform. So I will just guide you something like that. So how to trade over here. So how to deposit some amount of money. So it's very important to deposit. So if you want to deposit, or if you want to if you want to buy, or if you want to sell, so simply you can tap on buy or sell now. So before moving to buy or sell, you need to verify your account. So I cannot show my personal like documents over here. So you need to like submit your personal documents to the Bitrue platform. So then they will verify your account. So if you tap on like trade and like how to start trading over here, so simply you can see these kinds of interface. So like it's loading for now, so let's like you need to wait for some time. So sometime like the server may issue or like that, but sometime like our internet is also the major concern, but let it be. So here you can see the chart over there. So green is for the like buying and like red is for the selling. So simply if you like buy or sell, you can simply see the chart over there. So at the left side you can see the like cryptocurrency's name over there. At the right side you can see like the red E mark is for the sell and green mark is for the buy. So simply whichever, if you have the cryptocurrencies, if you trade, if you have trade like before also, if you have done these kinds of activities before also, so simply you can sell. But for now you need to buy. So according to the chart you can simply see the ratio. If the line or the green line is like bigger than the red, so simply you can, what you can see is, so selling rate, yeah, sorry, buying rate is high. For if you see the green is bigger than red, then the selling rate is low and the buying rate is high. So if you want to like do accordingly, so choose the currency whichever you want to buy or sell for. So simply you can do accordingly. So this chart shows the like the ratio of the buying and selling. So first of all you need to like analyze. Okay, so how to analyze? Okay, simply you will redirect to the trade page and you can simply see over there. So at the left side you can simply see so the buying ratio and the selling ratio. So according to the buying and the selling ratio, you need to like decide what to do over there. So it's just a very simple thing like buying or saying selling, all those things. So and the disclaimer is for you. So this is a tutorial video, so we are not just enforcing you to just like use this platform or like invest your money over here. We are just providing the tutorial video of Bitrue platform. So it depends upon you whether you choose this platform or not. So we are just the like tutor for you. So simply you can analyze all these things and you can start like your trading career over here in the Bitrue platform. So I will at the end I will just tell you about a bit more about the registration, the event, like that the Bitrue event. So we are going to just talk about this. So I have teach you how to buy or sell the currencies over there, so how to deposit, and here you can see the interface over here. So like you can simply register now. So after the registration you can simply like you will be able to successfully, you will be able to participate in this MeMes Carnival. So simply you can deposit. So we have provided the referral link and this page link in the description box. Please check it out. So we have learned about the sign up, login, and if you want more tutorial like this, so please comment down. So now the call to action. So if you like the content, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell over there. So we'll be uploading more videos like this. Till then, bye bye and take care. So don't forget to use our referral link and participate here in Bitrue platform. So bye bye and take care.